Happy New Year, everybody. The Bills are in the playoffs. I don't think I've ever even thought I'd be saying that in 2018. Wow, what a way to end the year. Congratulations out to the Buffalo Bills. Hands down, that was an exciting time, that's for sure. It is great to be alive right now, folks. 2018, welcome to the new year, January 1st right now. And yeah, let's get this ball rolling, and Happy New Year again. Thank you to each and every one of you who supported me through the purchase of a calendar. I can't thank you enough. You are absolutely incredible, and it just shows how much you all enjoy my creativity. My original intentions for buying a camera back in 2013-14 was just a kind of a passion for pursuing a video career in a way, and it's evolved quite a bit over some time, and I love being that hybrid kind of creativity person. I feel that I've gained a lot of attraction from the 2017 photo contest through the Weather Channel. It's amazing out there. And thank you again to each and every one of you who voted countless number of times. I can't stop thanking you guys enough. You guys are absolutely incredible. Between that and the launch of the calendar, it was a huge success. Thank you guys so much. What a great way to start the 2018 year. And then the Bills make it to the playoffs. Wow, how much better could this year get? It's gonna get so much better. I'm super excited for 2018. On the topic of the 2018 calendar, which it's still available, guys, I will not take down that link if you still want to purchase it. Just the other day I received like 4 more orders for calendars. I will get them out as soon as possible. Thank you guys again. So each month has a coupon for 10% off of a print purchase. So if you log on to my website, DaveNiedbala.com, that's a Dave, not David, DaveNiedbala.com. I'm still trying to purchase DaveNiedbala.com, but DaveNiedbala.com. The links are in the pictures of the calendar. They're also on the first day of each month. Now you will notice that calendar has the coupon code, which is 10% off. You can use that. If you have any problems, shoot me a message. I will be happy to take care of that for you. This is my way of giving back to you, and also it does help me out as well, because last year I didn't have many prints at all. That's where I struggle the most, is not a lot of people buy prints. So I feel having a coupon plus this new website launch is really going to help me out. It's going to help you guys out, and it's really going to kind of get my name out there as well. So, and that brings me to my next point, the website and who I go through for all my printing. So I picked Fine Art America for 2018. The entire year of 2018, I will be putting everything through Fine Art America. Basically, they are going to host my website, they're going to host my images, they're going to produce all the printing, and it's going to be delivered right to you as well. It's going to take a huge burden off of me in a way, just because being able to print, produce, and do everything and have a part-time job is very hard, time-consuming as well. And I personally would rather be out shooting, creating more content. Not exactly, I mean, not that I don't love creating products and stuff like that, but it just takes a huge weight off my shoulder, and you guys have the ability to go through and look at all my images and everything like that. Plus, Fine Art America not only prints pictures on, you know, say like glass or metal or just a regular poster. They do a whole bunch of other stuff. They do shower curtains, they do totes, they do camera cases. So if you got a new iPhone, yeah, guess what? You can take one of my pictures, put it on an iPhone case, order it, and then you have my picture right on your phone. How sweet is that? Yeah, but a whole bunch of stuff. Coffee mugs, and did I mention shower curtains? Yeah, shower curtains. I'm gonna have shower curtains available for purchase. How awesome is that? Yes. So yeah, I'm loving Fine Art America as a as a print facility for my work. I've seen her work before, flawless. Oh my gosh, I love it, absolutely love it. Now here's the downside of working with Fine Art America. Say you go onto my website and you purchase a shower curtain. Well, when you make that purchase, I get an email that says someone made a purchase of this shower curtain and it sends me a picture. But that's it. I don't get any of your personal information. I don't know who purchases anything, which really, it makes me mad. I even sent them a message saying, is there any way that you can tell me who's placing these orders? Because I personally want to see who places these orders. That way I can reach back out to you in a month and say, hey, how was the shipping process? Did it come all right? Was the metal image bent? Because that's happened before. I want to follow up with you guys. And they said, unfortunately, as a security feature within their website, they don't allow it. So I will never know who purchases my work. It just tells me that there was a purchase of a picture. So that's where you guys come in, and I'm asking, if you do place an order through my website, please just shoot me over a message saying, hey David, I bought this picture, you know, this was my order number. I would love to keep tabs on that just because I want to follow back up with you and see how you enjoy the print. Was the print bright enough for you? How was the shipping? Maybe you can send me a picture of it hanging on your wall. That way I can use it for, some marketing. There's not much I can do about that. I'm hoping that maybe you guys will participate in this as well with me. But thank you guys so much. Moving on to the next big topic, and I started this kind of in 2017, but 2018 I want to publish a book that's called The Human Eye. Basically, I want to take pictures of your eyes and put them into a book with a little story or a little excerpt from you. And I want to just make a flip book, coffee table book, something that just evokes the human eye, because I feel like the human eye doesn't get enough attention as it should. I absolutely love looking at people's eyes, just seeing their story from within them. It's like a whole nother galaxy when you really look into it. I'm definitely lacking in terms of camera gear. I don't have a macro lens. I'm trying to save up for that. And the camera I have, well, I'm sure you've heard majority of the time, the camera that I have is currently failing. The shutter's freezing up, and the camera and the batteries just don't go together. I have 5 batteries, and all of them die at about 40%. I've tried brand new batteries. I've tried other batteries, external batteries. No, it's the camera. The camera, unfortunately, I feel is going to be failing very soon. So I'm working on ways to hopefully get some money and invest in 1, a new camera, and 2, a macro lens, because that would just take this project to the next level. But yes, 2018, the Human Eye Project. If you know someone, or if you want me to take a picture of your eyeball, please let me know. Shoot me a message. I would happily get you on my email list. We'll set up a date where we can do all this and get your eyeball taken a picture of. Whew, that's a tongue twister. Finally, to wrap it up, what are your opinions if I started a monthly vlog, or a weekly vlog, or a photo shoot vlog? What would you guys watch something like that? Because I've always wanted to kind of step in front of the camera and kind of explain, like what's going on when I go out to a photo shoot. I've done it before in the past, just I've never put together the video. Just because I feel like when I do put the video together, no one's going to want to watch it. So let me know in the comments if you would want to see, like a vlog or a tutorial type kind of style kind of thing. I don't know how else to describe it, but other than a vlog, how often do you want to see it? Stuff like that. That would be incredible, and yeah, let me know. Let me know what you guys think. My goals by the end of January are probably to have a new camera and have a new lens. Without the macro lens, I really would not be able to do the Human Eye Project, which I'm really excited to do. And this camera, unfortunately, I I really don't see it lasting that much longer. Every time I go out and shoot with it, something new starts making a noise. The batteries start cutting out sooner. It's, yeah. I mean, I did put it through its pace, so I can't complain. Sony made a kick-ass camera, but maybe the next one that I get will have to be just a little bit more beefier so it can live up to my adventures. But yes, it is 2018, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Definitely going to be reading the comments for the next week on this video, so please feel free to share. You guys are awesome as always. Thank you so much, and I will catch you guys in the next video, next update, next something.